If you have avocados at home, make this amazing recipe in minutes. To start our recipe, I'm going to cut an avocado in half. I have no doubt that this recipe will impress you because it is so delicious. I'll also cut a lime in half and I'll reserve. It will give a refreshing touch in our recipe. In a container, I will add 20 grams of unflavored gelatin and then add 5 tablespoons of water. I will stir until the unflavored gelatin is completely diluted. Now in a blender, I will add all our avocado. I'm sure you and your family will love this recipe. Do it at your house and then come and tell me what you think. I will love to know. In sequence, I will add the juice of our lime and also add 200 grams of heavy cream. I will turn on the blender and beat the ingredients well. After I learned this recipe, I never ate avocado otherwise. Next, I will add 395 grams of condensed milk in our recipe and I will turn the blender on again and leave beating until the condensed milk adds well in our recipe. This has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I made it. I have no doubt that it will be part of your routine, also so delicious that it gets. Finally, I will add our unflavored gelatin and beat again until the unflavored gelatin blends well. Now, I'm going to put our recipe in 2 containers. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Tonight's hug goes to Jennifer Wallace from Pennsylvania. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'm taking it to the fridge for 2 hours. As soon as the 2 hours are up, I'll add lime zest on top. This special touch brings a refreshing differential to our recipe. Now our recipe is ready. See how we can make such an easy and delicious recipe with few ingredients? I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me for teaching you this refreshing and delicious dessert. She will be the highlight of that family Sunday lunch. Everyone asked me for the recipe for this dessert after tasting. This is a dessert that looks great on that weekend with plenty of heat, since the lime helps to give a refreshing touch on hot days. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye.